Hi everybody, Matthew with Quick Websites and Hosting here, doing a quick tutorial on how to turn off the editor for header and footer and for the custom body I've got here as well, any template really, in the Divi builder. So you can see on this site I've got a global header and a global footer. I've got a custom body template for all my posts. So I'm switching over to an actual post now. You can see I've got it in the visual builder already. And you can see as I hover over stuff that I have these options to edit the header template, to edit the body template, the post template that is, or if I come on down here to edit the footer template. That's usually not a good idea if clients just all they really need to do is edit posts. So the way to turn that off is, move this over so I can see. If you have your Divi menu at the bottom open and click on the three dots on the left over there, scroll to the bottom of the builder settings, you can see this theme builder template editing is turned on. So if I turn this off, close that box, now I can't edit that template. I can't edit the theme or the post template. I can't edit the header template. So you know, if you got clients that are doing their own posts and you're worried about them accidentally clicking and editing this other stuff, best to go ahead and turn it off. So that's all there is to it. I don't think you have to save, but I will. I'm going to exit the visual builder and enable it again just to make sure. So as soon as that comes back up, oh, I don't know why it's doing that, but let me go back down here. Oops. Open up my Divi menu, click on the three dots again, and see that's still off. So good to go. Client can't edit any of this, as you can see as I'm hovering over that and the menu. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.